Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best PMU tattoo machine is probably one of the most innovative tools in the beauty industry, allowing for precise and artistic application of semi-permanent makeup. These machines are designed to deposit pigments into the skin, creating a variety of cosmetic enhancements, from perfectly shaped eyebrows to defined lip contours, offering a long-lasting solution for those seeking to enhance their natural features. Number 5. Mellie INTELLI PMU Machine, Touchscreen, Multifunction. This machine features a premium German-engineered motor. It's built for durability, precision, and smooth operation, ensuring reliable results for every professional PMU artist. The easy-to-use LCD control panel offers 4 preset modes: brows, eyeliner, lips, and MTS. This multifunction machine allows you to effortlessly perform various procedures. Enjoy up to 3.5 hours of continuous operation on a full charge. This feature provides flexibility and wireless convenience during procedures, perfect for busy artists. Customize your PMU technique with adjustable speed settings and needle length. This gives you optimal control and precision for all treatments. Designed for comfort and professionalism, it runs efficiently with low vibration and minimal noise. This helps create a calming, spa-like experience for your clients. What we like. This machine features a premium German motor, ensuring superior performance and reliability for professional PMU artists. The 4-in-1 touchscreen allows you to effortlessly switch between different modes for various procedures. If you're looking for a machine that combines power, precision, and versatility, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This machine I can do eyeliner, lips, and brows. The pen is lightweight and quiet. Colors the lips well, no bleeding at all, and the swelling only lasted 20 minutes. Number 4. Mellie Microblading Aero Wireless Permanent Makeup Machine, Pink. This machine is completely wireless, operating on a built-in lithium battery. It also comes with an AC/DC adapter for continuous power, giving you flexibility during procedures. Enjoy approximately 2 hours of use on a full charge. This ensures you have ample time to work on your clients without interruption. The machine operates very quietly, minimizing distractions. Its efficient design ensures a smooth and comfortable experience for both you and your clients. It features adjustable speed with 3 control settings, along with needle adjustment. This allows you to customize the machine to suit various techniques. Crafted from aircraft aluminum alloy, this machine is built to last. It's a trusted choice used globally by permanent makeup masters and trainers. What we like. With its wireless design and long-lasting battery, this machine offers unparalleled freedom and convenience. The quiet operation ensures a comfortable experience for both you and your clients. If you value flexibility and a peaceful working environment, this machine is ideal for your needs. What people say. The machine is lightweight and easy to handle. It is very quiet and doesn't vibrate much. The needle depth adjustment is easy to use and precise. Number 3. Mast Tattoo Pen Kit with Inks and Needles. This kit includes the Mast Tattoo Pen Machine, crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy. It's easy to maintain and replace, making it a great choice for artists. The kit comes with Mast Pro cartridge needles, designed with perfect tension. This reduces stress on the machine, ensuring it works well for a long time. They are reliable for various tattoo styles. The Mast Tattoo Pen features an upgraded Core C series motor. This machine is perfect for precise line work, shading, and solid color packing. It allows for faster and higher quality work with less trauma to the skin. The special mechanism provides a good direct hit with enough softness. This feature enhances the overall tattooing experience, making it easier to achieve desired results. The kit includes black tattoo ink certified by EU REACH, made with organic natural pigments. The skin easily absorbs the pigment, and the color remains vibrant. It's a safe and reliable choice for artists. What we like. This kit includes Pro cartridges, needles, and update motor, ensuring precise and quality work. The black tattoo inks are certified by EU REACH, guaranteeing safety and vibrant results. If you are a tattoo artist looking for a reliable and high-performing kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit comes with good amount of supplies and everything that you need to start off if you are a beginner. Battery lasts long and charging time is only about 30 minutes to an hour. Outlasted my other PMU devices by far, way cheaper, universal cartridges. And the battery life is better than I ever had. If you are looking for a pro machine with awesome battery life, look no further. This machine is chic and stylish. I love how easy it is to control with the wide range of speed options. Number 2. PMU Machine Kit with Battery and Needles, Rose Gold. This PMU machine offers the flexibility of cordless operation with a rechargeable lithium battery. It also includes a connector for plug-in use, making it convenient for use at home or in the studio. A full charge provides approximately 3 hours of use. The permanent makeup machine features adjustable speeds for both cordless and plug-in use, catering to artists of all levels. It also allows for finely tuned needle adjustments, optimizing your work. Crafted with an aluminum alloy frame, this eyebrow tattoo machine is durable, lightweight, and safe. The design ensures an easy grip and minimizes vibration, providing a comfortable experience. It holds a charge well, delivering excellent results. This microblading machine features a high-speed motor and quality needles, ensuring no bending or misalignment. The one-key start design is efficient and quiet, allowing for smooth and fast coloring. This reduces discomfort for clients and simplifies the artist's work. This permanent makeup machine is ideal for various procedures, including powder brows, eyeliner, lips, and hairline. If you encounter any issues with the kit, please contact us for a replacement. What we like. This PMU machine offers both cordless and plug-in use, providing flexibility in any setting. It features a 3/4 speed control and finely tuned needle adjustments for optimal results. If you are a beginner or professional artist seeking a versatile and easy-to-use machine, it will be a great choice. What people say. The rechargeable battery provides a wireless experience, allowing ultimate freedom to tattoo without an annoying cord getting in the way and not being stuck to a wall. I love the digital display screen, which makes it super convenient to see my speed and adjust it easily. It even comes with a second battery in case the first one dies or I forget to charge it. Number 1. FK Iron Spektra Flux Bubblegum Tattoo Machine. This is a pen-style tattoo machine with a lightweight and ergonomic design. It's designed for comfort and ease of use, making it perfect for long tattoo sessions. This machine offers an impressive 10 hours of battery life. It also includes 2 Powerbolt battery packs, ensuring you're always ready to go. You can charge this rotary pen tattoo machine from any USB-C power plug. Whether it's in your car, laptop, or a battery pack, it charges quickly. With a 4mm direct drive stroke, it's ideal for both lining and color packing. It's a versatile machine that can handle various tattoo styles. Pair this machine with the DarkLab app for firmware updates. It also features a comfortable 33mm grip. This allows you to keep the machine up to date. What we like. This machine boasts an impressive battery life, allowing for extended use without interruption. With its versatile stroke, it's perfect for both lining and color packing. If you are looking for a wireless machine with long battery life and versatile stroke, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Wonderful machine, does amazing with line work. Great machine, easy to work with for smaller hands because the grip is wider. The power is perfect for PMU use. In the picture shown, nano hair strokes and shading were made to create this natural look. Holds power for a long time too. Lightweight enough for very delicate work without issue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.